EarthPen. Good day, learners. This is EarthPen. Today, we are going to talk about what does satellites do. Satellite is an object that revolves around a planet or a star. There are two types of satellite, the natural satellite and the artificial satellite. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth since it orbits the Earth. Also, planets, asteroids, and comets are also considered natural satellite since they orbit around the Sun. Other type of satellite is the artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are man-made satellites sent into space for the purpose of telecommunication. There are different types of artificial satellite based on their purpose. One example of artificial satellite is the communication satellite. The communication satellite consists of three important components: the uplink, downlink, and transponder. An uplink is the link from ground station up to the satellite, which it transmits signal to the desired satellite. And then the transponders receive signals from the base station at one frequency, amplify the power signal, remove any noise, and then transmit back to the Earth at different frequency. The transponder transmits signal back to downlink Earth stations, and then the signal receives by some ground equipment. Communication satellites are used for television, radio, internet, and military applications. The purpose of these satellites is to relay signals around the world, allowing communication to happen. Because of the communication satellite, the radio and television broadcasting and internet exist. Another example of artificial satellite is the weather satellites. Weather satellites are used to monitor the weather and climate of the Earth. It is used so that we have a more accurate weather forecasting. Next example is the navigation satellites. Navigation satellites are also artificial satellites, which are designed to aid the navigation of sea and air traffic. It also helps locate the location of ships, aircrafts, and other objects. So those are some examples of artificial satellites and their purpose. Now, before I end this video, let me give you a quick trivia. The world's first artificial satellite is the Sputnik 1, which was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957, which weighs 83.6 kilograms. So that's it, guys. Did you enjoy our topic for today? I hope you learned something today. Also, you can watch our other video tutorials here in our channel. Once again, this is EarthPen. Learning has never been this easy for anyone, anywhere. Have a nice day.